Alright, so today we have a project. A friend of mine has her brake lights broken and we want to fix it. So I'm just gonna check that it's true, right? So let's... And I'm pressing the brake. Is it working?
It's not working.
This is the fuse box. I'm just gonna open it and hope that I'm gonna find the fuse. It's number 30. So this is what I'm looking at. This is the fuse symbols, and I did a quick internet search and I know that this one here is the one for the brake light fuse. So it says here it's number 13. This model of car is a Jetta 2002, and so I see that number 13 is actually here, right? So it goes with this fuse board. So if I'm right, this is the first row, this is the second row, and we are counting 1, 2, 3 from the left. So this would be the fuse I need to check. So let's try to take it off. Okay, I'm not sure the fingers will work. So my fingers didn't work. I found this tool in my toolbox and I'm gonna try to see if it works. It did. Alright, so I'm checking the fuse, and apparently when the little thing in the middle here is not broken, this is when you know that your fuse is still good. So this is not our problem today. Let's put it back. So this is actually not necessarily a super good news, because it means that I need to get into this part of the car, which I've never done before, and so we're gonna see how it works. This is gonna be fun though. Let's make it fun, right? Okay, so in order to change the brake light switch, I'm gonna need to access the part which is above the brake pedal here. And it looks like what I'm gonna have to do is change or actually unscrew this screw here. And as you see, the shape of it is kind of a weird one, so it's not gonna be a regular screwdriver. There is a second screw to remove here, and then the third one here. And again, this is for 2002 Jetta. You might want to check online for your car model. Alright, so this screwdriver is not gonna help me. I have a toolbox here. Actually, my builder gave it to me when I first moved in. And it looks like what I need to open this dashboard is something like this. So I'm gonna try several ones and actually see which one is gonna work. And I'm lucky, this is a match. Alright, so let's put this here. Oops, the wrong way. I hope it's still charged. It's not charged. Okay, let's do it manually. Is it gonna be one way or the other? This was not successful, so I'm not gonna use this one. Okay, let's remove these screws. Yep, one. Alright, so now I'm gonna have to unclip this part here. Alright, so it's a little bit difficult to remove the parts at the bottom, so I know that I can take this off. And thankfully it's gonna be easier for me to then get to the part I need to go to. Alright. Okay, so this is what it looks like now, and I'm gonna try to get it off. Basically, the issue is this little clip here. Okay, now it's working. Okay, what I'm gonna want to replace is this little part here. So the idea is to rotate it anti-clockwise like this and get it off. And then pull this part out by pinching. And it can get a little bit tricky, you have to pinch to the side. Okay, now we got it. Okay, so this is the part that I'm gonna replace it with. It's a brake light switch, and you can buy it at Riley Auto Parts for like around $5. So it's a very inexpensive part. And this is how you have to set it. So tilt it a little bit to the left. Actually, so this would be the left, and then try to fit it in, and then tilt it to the right, rotate it to the right. Yep, and you heard this little click, it's a good sign. And now you can put the wires back in. Okay, everything is in place. Oh my god, we did it!
That's great.
Does it work?
Let's see. Go.
Okay, so normally we fixed it. Now is the moment of truth. Is it working or not? I'm gonna check it while the car is still not on. Tell me if it works.
Okay.
Is it working?
Yes!
Woohoo!
It's working!
Honestly, it's working? Good job! Okay, so I don't know why we had to pick the hottest day in the month to do this job, but I'm so happy that that it got fixed. And it was a little bit tricky, but in hindsight, it's awesome. My friend's car is fixed, and I did it. I showed that I am independent and I can fix a car. So this is awesome.
And I am so grateful, and I'm so pleased, and I think you are fantastic. Thank you for fixing my car.
Awesome. I'm so glad we did it.
Me too.